This is Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for June 2nd, 2020. Corn market up 1, beans up 10, Chicago wheat down 7 1/4, Minneapolis down 4 3/4, Kansas City down 11 3/4. So just a real mix of emotions around the markets. Obviously uncertainty over China, but yet we saw some private sales purchases show up, and so that kind of offset that sour tone we had to start the week. And bean market comes roaring back. Corn kind of stuck in between the limbo of balancing between beans rally and the wheat market sell-off. And wheat market's seen a little less threatening weather here as we work ahead, and that's what we're really seeing as a net result. So grain markets continue to be stuck here to some degree, back forth action with really limited directions, but coiling within this range and likely to take on a direction here in the days and weeks ahead. As to what we expect, we do expect the seasonality to have its part in this. Generally, we see upside momentum for the corn, soybeans, particularly as we work ahead. A little bit of softer tone to the wheat, and so we'll see if we can't put something together here in June, July days and give some marketing opportunities. Feeder cattle down 270, lives down $3, hog market down 220. 115, 120 southern trade, 113 to 118 northern trade. That's kind of the tone right now. Cutouts dropping significantly, so we'll need to continue to watch packer margin and impact that may have on their slaughter capacity, but trying to get current there to some degree yet, and that's leaving these markets kind of left in a bit of limbo. But let's be honest, the economy and the uncertainty still remains, and that's what's going to allow a little bit of setback here. How much? Time will tell. We need export demand and positive grilling season, and we need these restaurants to get back up and ticking, and that's going to be a slower process than I think many believe. When you look to the hog side of things, uncertainty over China continues to be the undertone. Some cancellations there late last week carrying over into this week, and just souring the tone for hogs, at least for now. This has been Jim Emter, Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.